Started working on this AISIN transmission, little 4-speed aw71. I think this is a non-lockup one, turns out, but it's out of a turbo car. Probably 300,000 on it or so. And right now I'm stripping it down. I already got the valve body out with the accumulators. Shift linkage is off. Extension housing, governor, and so now I'm pulling the oil pump. Still got to pull the shift shaft. This guy here. Get this light. It's been a pain to pull that one off. That's where the fittings go for the cooler lines to the heat exchanger. So you pull those off too, but right now I'm pulling this oil pump out. At first I was messing with it with screwdrivers, but then I put this vice grip on this housing, and I put this little bar. It's actually a battery tray, old style battery retainer bolt. It happened to be the right metric size for this thing because it calls for a drive pin, but I don't have any of those, and I'll probably reuse these bolts, so I didn't want to cut any of them down. But this will work. So here comes the oil pump. See the planetary, first planetary, and looks like a big expansion clip to hold that first set of steels in, whatever that is. I mean, there's another clip there in the middle. But I'm thinking this is the overdrive unit, you know? I mean, I don't know. Oil pump and overdrive. There's a clip on there. Okay, so you just build that separate. I'm gonna get this stuff separated out.